Y'all, it's 12:33 and our flight is at 5:30. So right now we're gonna take this off and see what the lace giving. Okay, I just finished my lashes. Look 100% better. Ooh. It is melted, of course. I ain't gonna lie, that kind of hurt. But it's melted, of course. We knew that though. We knew that. Hey y'all, so we just ordered the Uber. It is currently 4:07. I haven't had no sleep. None. We just finished packing, which is crazy. Let me show y'all the fit check. Fashion Nova, and I got these on, these fur boots. That's been with the trend lately. And I'm gonna wear this bubble coat that I got. So yeah, no sleep. Our flight leave at 6:55. We're gonna make it at like 8 something. And yeah, still no sleep because we ain't gonna be able to check in till like 3 something. So yeah. But this is my little airport fit. Hopefully I get to take some cute pictures at the airport. It's really all I be worried about. Hey y'all, hey.
We just cut out.
We just got here. We just got our rental car. Now we finna go try some food. Are we going to the, what is it called? Nova? Let me see. I found it on TikTok, y'all. Y'all, it's hot out here. It's not cold.
She don't even like seafood.
But they finna have some mac and cheese and...
Mac and cheese.
It's 49 degrees out here. It's like morning back home. In my eyes. I had on the coat, but I took it off. Alright, y'all. I haven't been vlogging today. We went to the casino.
To the GoFundMe.
We gotta add money into it or something? Why we can't get one? I thought it was like, oh, just this place is nice. Please. I cook for my man, right? He gonna say, oh my God, you make corn in a can.
Ensure your family's health and well-being.
Excuse me?
FSA eligible essential health products.
He talking about he only eat corn on the cob. Okay, Mr. Bougie, you could go back to what she used to then. Anywho, he finna get this bag pasta.
We finna pizza roll it out.
I don't want no pizza rolls.
We finna pizza roll it out.
He finna get this bag pasta. They don't even got the one that I be getting for real. Did I pack lotion?
I have no clue.
Food down. Now we not going to get no liquor?
Oh, it's right next there?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Excuse me.
You looking at me crazy. I'm looking at you like, what's up?
The liquor store.
Ah, liquor store right here. But we're going to use your card.
That's crazy. They got one down the street.
Did you hear what I said?
A dispensary right here and a liquor store right
You heard what I said?
What?
I said, but we're going to use your card.
Cool. I think the liquor gonna be cheaper anyways. No, we get the big bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, we made it to our Airbnb. We finna go have a snow fight.
No, we're finna fuck.
Stop saying that.
Oh.
Hey y'all. We finally made it to the Airbnb.
Damn, you can't even see my face.
Good. We about to go have a snow fight outside. Hey y'all. We finally made it to the Airbnb. This is my third take if he don't mess it up.
I was just gonna say that. This is our fourth take because she not fucking with my personality.
Yeah.
She hating.
I'm not hating.
Y'all would love me.
Anywho. I'm not trying to show your face. What's that man on Proud Family, Wiz Kelly?
Yeah, Miss Wizard Kelly.
So yeah, we finna go outside, chill outside, warm up our pizza. And we're not doing nothing else for the rest of the night. Actually, it's really not night. It's 5:50, but it's dark as hell outside, and it's just too much going on outside.
We're finna go take shots with Jeepers Creepers.
P.S. I'm scared of Jeepers Creepers. Okay, y'all, I just finished getting dressed. I'm gonna wear these boots again for the last time. Alright, y'all, I'm ready. I hate my makeup. He rushing me. These boots again. Should I bring my snow boots just in case? Well, you don't have no snow boots, so it's okay. What? Ooh, let's get the shit out of here.
Snow removal is volunteer. I did a little bit. Oh, you're in the camera.
Fuck.
Oh, you don't go to the stop. You're not good. Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there, right there.
You got me right. Babe.
Alright. Don't fucking run.
Okay, take it right here, please. Do I hear a snake?
You wanna do the penny?
No, regular. You been doing that this whole time?
You went next to me.
Y'all, not only did I get chased by a dog. Oh wait, no, he didn't say I'm being dramatic. Not only was I about to get chased by a dog, it's cold as fuck out here. Yesterday, I said it wasn't cold. It wasn't cold. It really wasn't cold yesterday. But today, I ain't never even seen snow on the dashboard before. Alright, y'all, I hope my pictures ate down. Where my, you got my phone? I got it. So we're gonna see my pictures, see if they ate down. See if my bookie boy did his job.
Look at me, look at me.
You lucky? I taste good, but I just had to redirect my cooking.
Alright, y'all. My pictures ate, I ain't gonna lie. They ate. So now we finna go eat. What you looking for? And yeah, we did get a rough start. It's 1:32. We really don't need to be eating no breakfast, but hey. And then I'm gonna call this this Sleigh place. While we're eating, we're gonna find out what we're gonna do next. Tomorrow we're gonna get up early and have an eventful day. And tomorrow we have the train ride at 1:30. So update, y'all, we drove an hour away to come to this place and they're closed. I go back. I said I want to record something. Y'all, this lemon drop is so strong. And he got us. What you got? Is it good?
The Godfather.
The Godfather. For all the attention.
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer
Yes.
had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. In one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And how the reindeer loved it.
Y'all, the sun is tripping. But we're on our way to get breakfast, and then we're going to the train. We also have to get food to bring, snacks to bring on the train. How long is the train ride, babe? He don't know shit. I don't know what I'm asking. I'm finna see y'all and I'm gonna come back. Okay, y'all, so we 33 minutes away. We'll get there at 11:43. The train don't leave till 1:30. We have to check in 15 minutes in advance, so 1:15 we need to be there. Right? Right, Math Magician?
Going to the liquor store so I can get toe up.
We're buying drinks on there.
No,
Why do I bring the bottle?
I'm pre-gaming.
They have a Whole Foods market. We're going there on the way back home.
Because I'm a cheapie.
Hear me?
Whole Foods.
Yeah.
Never been there.
Love. Y'all, I'm starving.
Alright, here she goes with that bullshit.
I picked the place I picked was closed. So I'm picking another place, but he act like he don't want to go to that place.
Watch it be closed.
Don't say that.
So I can start to taste more cilantro.
Y'all, I got quesadillas because you know me, I love chicken. Y'all, look at all this food.
Don't tell me everything I need to know about everything else.
Okay, let me taste. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna take my face back. The beans, I don't know about.
I don't prefer it that much cooked.
I want this going on.
Yeah, for real.
It's nasty.
No, it's not nasty.
So we should have just did chicken.
Yeah. That's what chicken is?